Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate table in Word. Now for us to get this done, we have here a sample table that I'm going to be working with. I'm just going to go ahead and basically copy this one. Oops, let's highlight once again, copy just like so, and then let's go over down below and we're going to go ahead and insert a where is it? Okay, there you go, text box. And then we're going to go ahead and just click draw more text box. So yeah, just go ahead and paste the text box here and then click Control V, or basically you're just pasting this. And from this point forward, what you're going to do is choose the text box, and then under shape outline, you're going to choose no outline. That way it will not be visible. And yeah, from this point forward, just go ahead and click this one or start rotating using this toggle right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and position it. All right, there you go. So yeah, once you have done that one, you should be able to now rotate it. Now, one thing to do in order for us to basically move this around is go ahead and click in front of text. There you go. And we should be able, we should be able to move this around. Let's just go ahead and fix this one. All right, there you go. So now I am able to move this around depending on which position I want this. So yep, that's basically how you're gonna do it. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.